Light camera, shown up. Fly go. Ansod mo na. Fly go. Light camera, play. Fly go guys. Ansod mo na. Hoy. Hoy. Mas magawan. Okay. Tapos nagkaan ba? Okay.
Daban natin na sa mga doktor ka ng duman mo. Hindi ba ay.
Ini ang doktor ang tatlo mo.
Ano tayo mga video? Ako na hindi mo nagpapit. Hingga ako. Mapil lang video. Babak ko rin mo. Inunda pa ka to.
Sa Facebook ko lang. Diles.
Ay, ate, ako pa man, anak.
Kaya nga nito naman yung gagawa. Ayaw, kumaya po na. Kana na naman yung kaibigan niya. Ito lang gaan na.
Nga ang pumulay, hindi mo nagtuloy na pa.
Uy! Gabi pa ba na yung salina? Pag-ilis! Pag-ilis ba?
Ayun lang, huwag na katingot. May mga upo, di na
Ako
wala.
pa man, ane.
Pag wala kong higot, higot o ka ng sudlay. Ano mo?
Okay, sipat.
Oh, pagsando! Baon ay, daghan na, tingnan mo. Daghan ko sa bon, daghan ko tubig na imo. Dile, tama na. Tama na, tama na. Gayot mo, kuan ka tayo. Karang nasi Sarah.
Okay.
Yung sa nga nabi. Ano, baby? Paano lang nung...
Kaon na, kaon na. Kaon na dyan. Kaon na, dagan na sa baw.
Baka anak daw. Bula.
Daray mga sa baw.
Ikaw at ako.
Le.
Hindi na
Le.
ano, ang tiwas. Tiwas kag kaon.
Hindi.
Hindi na lang ka magkaon, no? Sus, labi naman ito ka. Ano ay ka, langi.
Ngabi tayo.
Hindi na pwede mo ang pagkalangi ba?
I will still recognize you if you will take the vote. Please administer the oath on the one.
Ano, wala na lagi kong partner, ane.
Ano na ako nang gihatag kay Jesse pa, naulaw. Kaya ako sa Dire ah.
Position understand assistance in other appointed positions. The recitation letters and the receipts and the assets of the head were accepted by the appointing authority. And here's the position. The president of the republic. Yes. It is not the secretary of the department. So if you ask the president of the republic, why? Something like this.
Alala.
What is the point?
Specifically kasi, bakit yung in-question ang process? Tanungin mo ang appointing authority. Bakit hindi mo resignation letter?
Kawawa.
Madam Vice President, we will, wala pa po tayo dito sa video. Later po sa pinapakito. Wala pa po tayo sa interpellation.
Philippines.
Yes, sir. Hindi po tayo nag-interpellation.
Madam Vice President, usap po. So, please do respect.
Yes, I am very respectful. I am Tom Daly from Congressman Marcoleta. The appointing authority is the President of the Republic of the Philippines. Why are you questioning due process in a discussion and resignation of basics and assets?
Wala pa po magtatanong about that, Madam Vice President.
Sir, dinmaintain nyo na yung tao for due process.
Madam Vice President,
Sir, nasa loob ng detention ang tao because you question due process. Asaan ang explanation ng due process ninyo doon? Asaan?
Madam Vice
Tinanong
President,
kita kanina, I'm sorry sir, tinanong kita kanina, sino ang appointing authority? User ng asset, anong sagot mo? Secretary. Hindi mo alam.
hindi pa po
Hindi mo. Kita sumagot. Camera. Kita sumagot. Sinabi mo secretary. Hindi mo alam lahat. President.
Can we observe proper decorum, Mr. Chairman?
Oh, wala pa po.
Binayaran ko sila mo. Gani, pasensya ha. Kailangan na namin pera. Addiction na kasi. Yan ang pag isa mas ko. Ingon nga po. Pag natin kayo sa amin. Hindi daw yung gusto daw. Nga daw, iha ko pa daw bilang siraon ng yung pangalan sa akin. Sabi ako last na daw namin na may bayad ko.
Military na naman po. International.
Sit with me.
Yan yung layas ko.
Yes.
Kamera.
Sige, asa na tayo kung hindi. Ito daw ulit ko.
advice. Kadua siya.
Naku, hindi naman tayo ngayon ang kwarta dira. Kasi sa nag-ibig.
Sa nila ko.
Wala ko mga kwarta.
Sige lang ginawa. Naon sila ngayon. Kailangan yung practice. Sa inyo lang na maluto na sila. Kailangan bentahan sila ng mga anak. Hindi mo na. Kailangan. Ano yung dawat sa buwan.
Wala yung bagay ko.
Okay.
Pinagdete mo. Mariko, patulilaw. Patulilaw. Sila mo, papasangin eh. Tapos hindi ko ganun.
Committee relations.
Mr. Chairman. Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair.
Yes, Madam Vice
Yes.
President.
You need to reconsider that extension of your detention. It was illegal in the first place. You asked the president why he accepted the resignation. Do not ask due process.
Mr. Chair, Mr. Chair, Congressman Talba. Congressman Talba.
Madam
Vice President, if you have any questions so far reaction from this committee are concerned, I think the proper remedy is for you to
Pero araw-araw, you are depriving a person of her liberty while I await.
That is precisely the point, ma'am. If our action today, your chief of staff is against the law, I think the proper remedy, and I think you are a lawyer,
Yes, sir.
the proper remedy is to go to the court.
Sir, do you really want to show the Filipino people kung anong kaalaman ninyo sa batas?
Ang sinasabi ko ng way, sundin po natin yung batas.
Kaya nga, sir, sundin natin yung
Kasi
batas.
nandito po kayo dito sa bahay ng Kongreso.
Yes, sir. Sundin natin yung batas. Why will you penalize, punish Yusek Lopez for an act of the president?
Madam Vice President, that is the decision of the committee. Sana po respetuhin po ninyo.
Yes, sir.
Kung meron pong
Okay.
remedy, alam naman po ninyo bilang abogado na tama yung sinasabi ng Commissioner natin. Pwede po tayong mag-file ng relief.
Okay, sige, sir. Tinutulungan ko lang kayo, sir. Kasi napapahiya ang Pilipinas. Ganito ba ang House of Representatives? Tinutulungan ko lang kayo.
May mga anomalya. May anomalya na. Naglikay ba? Naglikay sa nagkuhay mga kuwananin. Bulok kaya ta. Ito ba ba? Didididididididididid kaya ta mo ito ba?
And Mr. Chairman,
Yes, maybe this is the chairman. Kasi nakakawala po ng respeto sa committee.
Ikas kayo makasulti ka, nakakawala ng respeto. Kaya sa pag-isdo ka nang kakawala ng respeto, kaya pareha mo mga taga-gobyerno.
continue to the next
Pareha mo mga tanang ng respeto diya.
We will now proceed to the
Ako pasultiyo na eh. Huwag
interpellation
na magsalita
order.
ng kawalan ng respeto
The
kasi
first
lahat
to
tayo walang
interpellate
respeto.
is the Honorable Congressman Haber.
Sa contempt na kuha ninyo. Okay, wala. Di mo katubag. Eh, yun eh. Tubag-tubag mo. Ano na, yung
Sa
mga.
kung kaya site income tayo,
Oo.
kahit iso ka.
Opisyon ka kay imong gitubag-tubag sila nga insulto lang na basahan mo og kanang constitutional, ibasahan sila ba nga
Ito si Amy Lopez.
nadili na nasuko sila. Ilang decide in. Ito, balikon do ba? Igo mo sila.
Mr. Farda, you were the special dispersing officer during the period when was Vice President
Wala pa sa bawal ito,
Sara
Ben.
Duterte was the Secretary of Defense.
Ano yun na?
Uy!
Senator Farda, you're in.
Tulog.
Thank you. Would you also confirm
Ka.
the 3 land bank checks, each amounting to
Diba?
37.5 billion were issued to you as payee and were in cash by you?
Mano na lang mga COVID para magkasip. Kabuhay.
Mr. Farda,
May balik doon niya? Uy, balik doon
thank you.
niya.
And would you also confirm that you certified the correctness of the liquidation reports on the use of the debt and confidential funds, and in fact issued the corresponding certification?
Saan na lang kasunod si Mama?
Would you confirm that?
Mr. Chair, pwede po ulit lang po ng question regarding sa issue ng certificate.
Congressman, please repeat. Yes, Mr. Chair. Mr. Farda, can you certify to the correctness of the liquidation reports on the use
Ayaw,
of
Ling.
debt and confidential funds, and in fact issued the corresponding certification?
Mr. Chair, wala kami kakampi dito, wala mga point of order para sa akin. How can you ask a research person without giving him copies? Without giving him
Mr. Chair, point of
copies.
order,
Vice
Mr. Chair.
President is weak to be recognized.
Give him copies.
Point of order. That's the point of order of the honorable.
Yes, Mr. Chair, Representative Ako is asking our resource person why is it that the Vice President is nothing?
Yes,
Point
No,
of
hindi
order.
kasi natin dito, pero dapat wisdom na natin. Well, point of order.
Naman kawet na Tapa na mara. Tapad mo sa bangko. Tapad mo din mo. Nagarte na oy. Pagkira-tira dia. Hoy, wala na may tao rin ng audience. Iling na lang nag-art. Diha oh, nag-arty. Iling na lang nag-artista. Tuwa si Iling kat. Diyan gusto nga.
Resolutions? Please continue, Congressman Ako. Thank you, Mr. Chair. Before I proceed, I would like to ask OWA. OWA, would you agree that three land bank checks, each amounting to 37.5 million, were issued to Mr. Edward Farta as paid? Attorney Camora,
Yes, Mr. Chair.
and did Mr. Edward Farta certify on the correctness of the reconciliation of the debt and confidential funds, and in fact issued the corresponding certification?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Yes. And Mr. Fajarda and Madam Acosta also prepared the corresponding accomplishment reports for the use of the debt and confidential funds. Would that be correct?
Mr. Fajardo, yes, Mr. Chair.
And would you please repeat your answer, Madam?
Mr. Fajardo for debt and
Yes. Now, may I know, Mr. Edward Farta, si Miss Sanchez po ay asawa po ninyo?
Yes, sir.
Yes. And Miss Sunshine Farta ay nagkatrabaho din doon sa office ng Vice President.
Yung DepEd po kasi.
Yes, thank you. Now, Mr. Chair, para lang ma-recall po natin, si Miss Sunshine ang pinangalanan ng ating mga resource persons natin noong mga nakaraang hearing na nag-abot ng payola money sa mga empleyado ng DepEd at sinasabi niya na ito ay galing kay Vice President Sara. Bagay na bagay sa kanya ang kanyang pangalan. Talagang sunshine siya dahil paano ba naman hindi iilaw ang mukha mo pag nakapuntan ka ng pera. Meanwhile, si Mr. Farda naman ang pinapangalan noong nakaraang hearing na nung una ang proseso ng payola money sa Land Bank Payroll House ng field personnel. Pero due to supposed security reasons, hinihingi niya ang personal ATM account numbers para doon na lang ipapadala ang payola ng field personnel, effectively bypassing official documentation of all the transactions. In short, Mr. Farda, kayong mag-asawa ay nagtatrabaho para kay Vice President Sara. Tama po ba? Mr. Edward Farda.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Kayo ni Miss Sunshine ay galing sa Davao. Tama rin po ba?
Yes, sir.
Color for help. Nagtrabaho under DepEd with Vice President Sara Secretary. Si Miss Sunshine ay nagtrabaho for
Nagkalat ako ng mga
BPI Mayor ng Davao City. Tama po.
Galing. Balik ko ang kanan.
In other words, Mr. Farda lumipat kay Manila to serve under the office of the Vice President.
Sulukan.
DepEd. Tama rin po ba? Noong si Vice President Sara ay nakabase po sa Davao as the City Vice Mayor, hindi po kayo part ng kanyang staff. Tama rin po ba? Tama po. In short, bago kayo naging SDO or Special Disbursing Officer ng DepEd, wala po kayo involvement kay Vice President Sara.
Yes, sir.
Dahil sa inyong asawa, si Miss Sunshine, kayo po ay nakilala ni Vice President
Sa
Sara.
ito, bebe?
Tama rin po ba yun?
Yes, sir.
Ito yun.
Ah!
Kita mo kay paano ang iwan ako may susugan doon.
Ang SDO appointment ay ang SDO is an appointment by the head of office. Would you agree with that?
Nag-believe ko trust and confidence.
Pero appointment
Ang saha to ba?
Thank you. In other words, pinili ko kayo ni Vice President na maging special dispersing.
Pamukot na bukat. Dagan rin yung bukat sa bukat.
Okay. Mr. Chair, as we can see, iisa lang ang credential ni Mr. Arta upang siya ay piliin ni Vice President Sara para maging SDO. Ito ay dahil siya ay asawa ni Ms. Sunshine. Alam naman natin ang posisyon ng SDO requires dahil malaki ang funds and go dito pinili ni Mr. Arta yun. For the case of DepEd, kay Mr. Arta, binigay ang Mr. Arta, are you a regular employee within the meeting?
Executive assistant.
Hindi ay.
Also,
Wala ko nakikita sa
considered as a medical.
Considered as a regular employee and therefore covered po ng civil service.
Mr. Chair,
maligo na kaugmaan.
Give me my money.
Kasi if you're a regular employee under our civil service rules, the fact that you're appointed in the DepEd terminus with the Vice President and then Secretary of Education, are we trying to to be a regular employee within the meaning of our civil service rules? And if no naman, I think you should be aware that under a joint circular, a special dispersing officer must be a regular employee.
yes, sir.
Thank you. Now the question is,
That's pa pa naman
do you consider yourself a regular employee despite your being a coterminous employee?
Yan, tagtaas ka ng...
So you are a regular
Oh, mga lagi. Di yung pinakakulong. Bulok sa lihat. Kadali na.
Ano na lang guys,
But
para
as a coterminous employee, you serve at the pleasure of your principal.
Yes, sir.
Meaning, the principal is the vice president. And she can remove you from office at any point in time. Thank you. Mr. Chair, at the appropriate time, I wish to explore legislation on this matter because an SDO cannot be a coterminous employee. We have to remember that confidential funds, when granted to a civilian agency, is related to the functions of the agency itself. As such, the person handling it must be a career employee, preferably of that agency, so that we are certain
mara number 5 yata or
not
Hindi, mama.
na number 4 nga
not
kung
just a coterminous employee where incentives are aligned towards ensuring that the principal is pleased with his or her performance. Do we have a
Wala, mama.
concept?